And now the pickles are ready. Hi ladies and gentlemen, back again with a new recipe, and this is going to be pickles with the glass jar. As you can see, I'm gonna cut the rest. I have finished, arranging the pieces of Armenian cucumber. Now I'm going to prepare the solution that contains salt, sugar, and vinegar. For each liter of water, we need 4 tablespoons of salt. But for this half a liter, we need 2 tablespoons of salt. We also need 1 teaspoon of sugar. We need this amount of vinegar. For each liter, we need 2 cups of this size for a liter. This cup is a little bit big, so I don't want to fill it to the top. Now it's ready. I want to add the dill on top of the glass jar. I'm going to add the water solution to fill the jar to the top. Okay. The Armenian pickles are ready. As you can see, the color has changed. I want you to listen to the crunch, to the sound, while I'm eating the pickles. It's crunchy and delicious. If you like this recipe, press the like button and follow me for more. Subscribe to my channel. You may tell your friends about it. See you in the next video.